Hi, this is Josh, also known as Cpgeek, and today we're going to be doing just a little bit of an unboxing and a quick tour. If you can't see already, this definitely contains batteries of some sort, and I know what's in this package already, but let's go ahead and get into it. Alright, I'm going to be doing a little bit of travel coming up soon, and my phone is always dying. So, I ended up with this guy. This is the iMuto Energetic Life battery, Taurus X5TC, and it's a pretty hefty little battery pack. It's got some USB-C action going on there, so I can charge my Nexus 6P. Let's go ahead and crack this guy open. So, on the outside of the box, we've got Taurus X5TC Smart Power, 1 Type-C, 2 USB ports. Let's see, it's 16,750 milliamp hours. Ultra compact, so hopefully the idea is that this will live in a pocket and basically provide charge for my phone and any additional equipment that I can figure out how to jury-rig into this. Let's go ahead and see what I can do. Looks like this whole thing just slides off, or at least that's what I thought it did. Then again, I know very little about this particular box. So, yeah, there we go. This takes a little more effort than I originally assumed. So, set that aside. And we have an unsuspecting box that says iMuto. Made in China, ROHS. So, I guess they are doing a little bit of an environmental friendly deal. So, how does one crack into this? And just like so, I guess. Alright, so right up front we have an iMuto manual. Thank you for purchasing from iMuto. I'm probably butchering the name. Hopefully somebody will help me out with that a little later. A little bit of a manual. Like there's some multiple languages, what all the things do, don't really care about that. It's a battery, and battery nicely wrapped in a little partition of the box here. So this is the product itself, and see the little screen portion right up here, and basically the battery. It's nice and compact, fits in my hand pretty nicely. Got the little iMuto logo down here, screen. On this side we've got 2 USB ports right in here and USB-C right in the middle. From what I understand, the USB-C should be both in and out, so I can go ahead and plug in a USB-C charger to this, so it'll charge pretty quick, or I can plug it into my phone to go ahead and charge, as well as a couple of USB devices. Pretty nice. It was advertised as being compatible with the Nintendo Switch, so for all you Switch fans, or if you have a smaller computer that's powered over USB-C, I believe that this battery should be pretty good at providing small laptops, like say a MacBook Pro, or one of the smaller MacBooks, or MacBook Air. I'm sorry, the MacBook Air doesn't have USB-C, but this should definitely power some of those notebooks. So I'll go ahead and power it up here. There's a little power button on the side, so I'll go ahead and push that. I don't know if you can see that on there. There's a little bit of a display, and my camera's having difficulties focusing on that, sadly. But it does say 97 currently, which is the percentage of battery, which is exactly what I'd expect out of a box from something like this. I really like the accent lines here. It's a nice two-tone understated but still shiny enough to find in a backpack really quickly, which I know is going to come up again and again. So there's that. Looks like it also charges over micro USB, so that's going to be the secondary method of charging this guy. I think you may be able to plug both of those in together, but I'm not sure. I'll have to take another look. Maybe that manual isn't so useless after all. But while we're at it, in this whole box opening situation, undo that. Comes with a nice carry case, nice gray with a little iMuto logo on the bottom here. It's a nice material, some kind of nylon. It's not going to tear apart too easily. A little bit of a drawstring here. It's a nice touch. And we have USB-C to standard USB-A. So I guess that's how people can either charge another USB-C device, or how you would charge this guy's USB-C. And that's pretty much it on the box. We are now empty. So as far as general thoughts, I think this will work really well in my travels. The output on these USB ports are in the, I believe it's 3 amps for standard USB-C. I'm not too sure about quick charge or anything like that, as my phone doesn't support it, so I wasn't really looking through that when I was picking this guy out. I just wanted to be able to charge multiple USB devices on the go in a hurry, which 3 amps is more than enough for my phone and any other devices that I want to plug in here. This will be great for my phone, my work phone, my wife's phone, or any of the little USB bits and bobs that I need to charge on the go. So anyway, keep things short. This has been Cpgeek.org, and I've been unboxing the iMuto X5TC Smart Power battery. Have a great day.